Flying drones can be fun once you get the hang of it. And on top of that, drones can capture beautiful images and video. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best drones for 2025 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is easy to fly, has an ample 46-minute battery life, and is equipped with 2 cameras, giving you options for more varied and interesting shots than its predecessor. We recommend buying the Air 3 as part of DJI's Fly More combo because it's the only package that also includes the DJI RC2 controller, which features a built-in screen and is a marked improvement over the standard controller's reliance on your phone's screen for live view. The Air 3 can sense and avoid obstacles approaching from all directions, as it adds side sensing, which our previous pick lacked. These new sensing abilities make the Active Track feature, which directs the drone to autonomously follow and film a subject, while also avoiding obstacles, easier to use in more situations. It can hold its position steadily, even in moderate winds, so you can focus on your cinematography, and it can go with you almost anywhere. Measuring 8 by 3.5 by 3.25 inches folded and weighing roughly 1.5 pounds, the Air 3 fits well in most standard-sized backpacks. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro takes many of the best features of the Air 3 and, for a little more than twice the price, ups the camera count to 3. Not only does it offer a Hasselblad-branded 24mm equivalent wide-angle lens with a 4/3 sensor, but it also sports 2 telephoto lenses, a 70mm equivalent with a 1/1.3-inch sensor and a 166mm equivalent with a 1/2-inch sensor. Thanks to the comparatively huge sensor on the main camera, the Mavic 3 Pro can capture more detail than our other picks and can do so in a much wider band of lighting conditions. As a result, it produces better images right out of the camera, but also gives editing software more data to work with to improve the images even further. This model can capture vibrant, detailed still images with its 3 cameras and its video at up to 5.1K resolution. Looks more color accurate than footage from the competition. It also has a 43-minute battery life, which isn't the longest we've ever seen in our tests. Our top pick beats it by a bit, but comes pretty close. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. If you're just getting into drone photography, especially for personal use, the DJI Mini 3 is a fantastic starter package. Though it costs less than half as much as our top pick, it still offers a 4K camera, a long 38-minute battery life, and a compact, lightweight build that just slides under the FAA's 250-gram limit. The Mini 3's camera and sensor aren't as high quality as those of the Air 3, but the f/1.7 aperture provides surprisingly good image quality in lower light conditions. This model also comes with all the important features you need from a video drone, such as image and flight stabilization, an included controller and smart flight modes, in which the drone flies itself to easily capture cinematic shots. But it lacks the obstacle avoidance sensors of more expensive models. You have the option to extend the battery life to 51 minutes via DJI's Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. But using that add-on makes the drone heavy enough that you have to register it with the FAA. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. All of our picks are capable of capturing good-looking, high-resolution aerial footage. But while the others focus on smooth cinematic shots of landscapes or sweeping vistas, the DJI Avata 2 is designed to emphasize speed and agility, creating footage that makes you feel as if you're riding on board. This small, buzzy fighter jet, DJI's 3rd iteration of its first-person view drone, finally puts the FPV format inside an easily accessible and relatively practical package. It's equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor that shoots 4K footage at up to 100 frames per second, motors that can propel it at up to 27 meters per second, in contrast to the Air 3 and Mavic 3 Pro's 21 meters per second, and a sturdy plastic shell that can handle a wide range of impacts when you inevitably run it into a tree or wall. The Fly More combo that we recommend includes an updated headset, 3 batteries good for roughly 20 minutes of flight time each, and a new, smaller version of the motion controller that launched with the original DJI FPV drone. This upgraded controller makes flying more intuitive for new pilots, but if you want to unlock the more aggressive manual control mode, you should also have DJI's more traditional FPV Remote Controller 3. Number 5. Auto Robotics Evo Lite Plus. If you are avoiding the DJI brand due to security or human rights concerns, or if you want a 6K camera, we recommend the Auto Robotics Evo Lite Plus. This drone can fly for up to 40 minutes with autonomous options similar to those of DJI drones. And unlike the DJI Fly app, the AutoSky app is available for direct download from the Google Play Store. However, we still prefer DJI drones for their value and image quality. Flex your creativity with an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 f/11, giving you the ability to alter exposure and depth of field in imaginative ways that show off your unique artistic style. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor and Auto's intelligent Moonlight algorithm, the Evio Lite can capture crisp, vibrant details at night with low noise, even when the ISO is cranked up high. With HDR on, Lite Plus will snap several photos at different exposures and automatically stitch them together, resulting in a photo with more contrast and dynamic range. Fly farther while maintaining crisp, clear visuals with AutoSkylink, our strongest image transmission system yet, which offers a transmission range of 7.4 miles, transmission quality of 2.7K/30 FPS, and superior anti-interference capabilities, all while relaying stunning HD video.